Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase your Snap score fast. So guys, let's continue into Snapchat. After open this and click on your profile icon, you can see my Snap score is just 265. Now go back and click on this plus icon. Click on multi snap option and capture 80 streaks. Okay. Now click on send. Click on create shortcuts. Choose an emoji. Select the friends. Send it. And guys, that's how you can increase your Snapchat score. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.